Good morning student, I am your teacher here again with the chapter crop production and management. Today we will discuss about the crops. So what is crops? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called crops. Crops are of two types, kharif crop and rabi crop. So kharif crops, the crops which are shown in rainy season are called kharif crops. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. Examples of kharif crops are paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton, etc. So from here we can conclude that the kharif crops need lots of water. It grow in hot and humid weather. Alright, so these are the things which we have to keep in the mind while writing about the kharif crops. The next type is the rabi crop. The crops grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. Their time is generally from October to March. Examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseeds. These crops need dry and cold weather, and they also need not much sunlight. So short duration sunlight is required for the rabi crops. Agricultural practices: soil preparation, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. So these are the agricultural practices which are done while growing the crops. First one is preparation of soil. Why do we do the preparation of soil? What is the requirement? The requirement is that this allow the root to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allow the root to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil help in the growth of earthworm and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are friend of the farmer since they further turn and loose the soil and add humus to it. Soil preparation: dead plants and animals get decomposed in the soil. After that, the various nutrients held in the dead organism are released back into the soil. Since only a few centimeters of top layer of the soil supports plant growth, turning and losing the soil bring the nutrient rich soil to the top that the plant can use its nutrients. Plowing and leveling is done after losing the soil. The process of losing and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. The ploughed field may have the big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank that is made up of wood. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purpose. So you can see that this is the plough. The parts of the plough are this one: plough sphere is there, plough shaft is there and beam is there, and farmer is using the plough to cultivate the field. Now hoe is also used for plowing the field, and cultivators means the tractors are also used for cultivating the field. So rest things we will discuss in the next class.